Welcome to another CoinSapper Daily Breaking News Alert.
Here is today's daily Cipher code brought to you by the CoinSapper. Don't forget to subscribe and hit our referral link below.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest from @CoinSapper. Whether it's satirical news, investing tips, or just a bit of fun, we've got you covered. Follow along and join the community. Stay curious, stay engaged, and keep exploring.